What if we could power the planet with a star? Fusion energy might just do it. For decades, scientists have dreamed of tapping into the same force that lights up the sun, a limitless clean energy source that could dwarf solar, wind, or even green hydrogen. In this video, we're diving deep. How fusion works, why it's a game changer, and the breakthroughs bringing it closer in 2025. Stick around, this could be the holy grail of power. Fusion is what powers the sun. Two light atoms like hydrogen isotopes, deuterium and tritium, smash together under insane heat, millions of degrees, and crushing pressure. They fuse into helium, releasing a burst of energy in the process. On Earth, we recreate this with reactors called tokamaks. Here's the kicker. Unlike fission, which splits atoms and leaves radioactive waste, fusion combines them, producing almost no long-term mess. The fuel, it's in water. Just 1 gram of hydrogen could power your house for a year. Why is fusion a big deal? Imagine a world with no carbon emissions, no meltdowns, enough energy to run entire cities, or even spaceships for centuries. It's not just about replacing coal. It's about powering the future. A single fusion plant could churn out 4 times the energy of a nuclear fission reactor without the risk. And the fuel's basically infinite. Deuterium's in seawater, tritium's breathable. It's like green hydrogen's beefier cousin in the clean energy family. Now, who's making this real? First up, ITER, the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor in France. It's a $22 billion global collab, 35 countries, from the US to China, building the world's biggest tokamak. Their goal: net energy, more power out than in, by the mid-2030s, in 2025. They're assembling the reactor, and last year they tested magnets that can handle 280,000 times Earth's gravity. If it works, it's proof fusion's not just sci-fi. Then there's Commonwealth Fusion Systems, or CFS, a private US startup shaking things up. Backed by MIT and billions from investors like Bill Gates, they're building compact reactors with super strong magnets strong enough to lift a battleship. In 2024, they sustained plasma at 20 million degrees for longer than ever, a huge win. Their spark reactor could go live by 2025's end, aiming to beat ITER to the punch with a smaller, cheaper design. Others are in the race too. General Fusion in Canada uses pistons to crush plasma and hit a funding milestone in 2024 with $200 million. Tate Technologies in California is chasing hydrogen boron fusion, cleaner still, and powered up a test reactor last year. By 2030, we might see fusion plants online, slashing emissions and powering everything from homes to Mars missions. Fusion's not here yet, but it's closer than ever. Will it be the holy grail of power? We're on the cusp of finding out. Fusion updates are too big for one video, so stick with us and we will keep you up to date. This tech's moving fast, so hit like and subscribe for more.